Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a quick walkthrough video of a 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Just wanted to show you guys some of the great features about this boat. I'm up in the bow right now. There's space for 2 to 3 people and some storage under both of these seats here. It's a very spacious, open design, makes it great for a lot of people to enjoy space, especially for a 19-foot boat. On the port side over here, you've got a nice finished out carpeted storage compartment for all your extra life jackets, things like that. We also have the carpet stored in there, the woven vinyl flooring, which would cover this whole cockpit area. There's a nice glove box up here, plenty of space for wallets, phones, keys, things like that. As we make our way to the helm, you've got tilt steering with nice stainless steel bezel on all your gauges. Everything's very easy to see, easy to access. We've equipped this boat with a depth finder as well. You've got a fusion head unit with Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, bolstered seat for the captain that gets you up in the air when you're pulling riders. So you're nice and safe, great visibility, cup holder for the driver, things like that. This also has a unique seat design over here on the port side for the passenger, where this seat can lift up and this would stow away to make it basically a dual captain's design, or you have the space for 2 people instead of 1. There's an insulated cooler under this seat base here. This boat's equipped with a 4.5 liter V6 engine that makes 200 horsepower. This is an awesome boat. We've got the nice shade from the bimini here. Perfect boat to get people out on the lake enjoying fun with the family, and you can pull tubes and skis, things like that. Thank you for looking at a 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX here at MarineMax of Houston.